Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a very interesting feature of PowerPoint, and this feature is how you can remove a background from your picture. Most of the time you want a picture in which background should not be visible. It makes your pictures realistic. So how it works, first I will show you. First I will give you a demo. This picture will be converted into this one, and this picture will be converted into this one. This is a funny picture, and this picture will be converted into this one. Now guys, please subscribe and like my channel, and now let's see how it works. Let's suppose we basically, to remove the background from the picture, there are two methods. First I will show you the first method. For example, we have this picture. Double click on it, it will automatically go to formats, and from format there is a color tab. Select it and set the transparent color. Now you have to select the background that you want to remove. So when I will click on it, it will remove the background. It removes the background, but it is not too good. This feature works only when you have a solid background, or when the contrast between the picture and the background is high. So this feature usually don't work. The other method to remove the background is select the picture, and there is an option remove background. You should select the complete picture, and it will automatically remove the background. But here you can see that there is some area that is also excluded, but you want it in the picture. So there are some options: mark area to keep, mark area to remove, delete mark. And let's suppose how it works. I want this area to keep, so mark area to keep, select this one. So this area is in, so it looks fine. So you can see that how beautifully it removes your background. Similarly, you can remove the background of this picture, this funny picture. Double click, remove background, increase the size of the box to the full picture, and it automatically removes the background. To make it more clear, double click it, picture effects, soft edges, and select the 2.5. It has removed the edges over it. Now I will tell you how you can remove the complex background from a picture. It is little bit tedious, but you have to do it. Double click on it, remove background. Similarly, select the whole picture. It has removed the background 90%, but it also removed some parts. So in order to keep that parts, just zoom in, and now we will see how we will remove it. Mark areas to keep, and now you see that there is an area that you don't want. So mark area to remove, and there is some area that you want in. There is also an area that you don't want. Mark area to remove. To make the shoes in, keep area. Select that area, it will be in. So you can see that how beautifully it removes the background. Just as a fun, can you make this picture by using this feature of PowerPoint? So guys, please tell me in comments, can you make this animation or not? Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you very much.